In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remote play on Steam. Remote play lets you run your games on a powerful host PC and stream them to another device, so you get the performance of your main machine while playing somewhere else. To get this working smoothly, we'll set up the essential options inside Steam and tune a couple of quality settings so your stream looks great and feels responsive. Start by launching Steam on the computer that actually has your games installed. This is your host PC. Once Steam is open, make sure you're logged into your account on that machine. With Steam running, look to the top left corner and open the Steam menu, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, select Remote Play on the left. This is where all the streaming controls live. First, turn on Enable Remote Play. This switch activates Steam's streaming service on your host computer and lets your other devices discover it. Next, set Allow Direct Connection to Automatic. This tells Steam to figure out the best way to connect, usually a fast, secure, direct path on your local network. Automatic is the ideal choice in most situations because it balances speed and reliability without you having to guess specific networking details. Now enable Advanced Host Options. This reveals extra performance controls on the host PC. We'll focus on the ones that have the biggest impact: bandwidth and resolution limits. These determine how much data Steam sends and the size of the video stream, which directly affects visual clarity and latency. If you're on a fast, stable connection like a wired Ethernet link or strong Wi-Fi 6, set bandwidth to unlimited for the cleanest image and smoothest motion. If your network is more modest or you notice stutters, choose a bandwidth limit to keep the stream steady. Lower limits reduce data spikes and can prevent buffering on busy Wi-Fi. For resolution, match it to what your network and display can comfortably handle. A 1080p limit is a great default that keeps games sharp without overwhelming many home networks. If your connection is inconsistent, dropping to 720p can significantly improve responsiveness. On the other hand, if you know your network is excellent and your display supports it, you can raise the limit, but only if you're still getting smooth performance. That's it. Thanks for watching.